Good afternoon po sa lahat ng mga UNTV Cup fans worldwide. And brace yourselves for another round of hardcore action with a heart for public service. Dito lamang po yan sa UNTV Cup. At nandito po tayo ngayon sa Inares Sports Arena para sa ating inaabangang triple header. At dahil Season 4 na naniligan ng mga public servants, head-to-head ang mga hardcore collisions dahil every team aims to be the best. Dahil ang champion po, eto. From dating 2 million, ay magkakamit na po ngayon kung sino man ang magcha-champion ng 4 million pesos na itutulong nila sa kanilang chosen charity. And of course, ito po ay unique concept ng ating nag-iisang Kuya Daniel Razon. At bago po natin simulan ang ating games for today, silipin muna natin ang ating team standings. Let's start with the Group A. Nasa top po ang PNP Responders with 1 win and 0 losses na sinusundan naman ng NHA Builders, DOJ Justice Boosters, Senate Defenders, and GSIS Furies na may tig-isang panalo at tig-isang talo. And sa bottom naman po, nandyan po ang Malacanang Patriots with 0 win and 1 loss. At tumako naman po tayo sa Group B kung saan nasa solo lead ang AFP Cavaliers na may 2 wins and 0 losses na sinusundan naman po ng HOR Solons na may 1 win and 0 losses. Parehas namang may 1 win and 1 loss record ang MMDA Black Wolves at BFP Firefighters. Habang wala pong recorded win ang Ombudsman Grabbusters na may 1 loss at ang Judiciary Mages na may 2 losses. Kaya naman siguradong magpapawi ngayon ang ating mga teams to get on the top of the standings. For our first game today, eto na po. Makakuha kaya ng unang panalo ang rookie team na Ombudsman Grabbusters as they battle against one of the most improved team this season, ang BFP Firefighters. At sa second game po natin, mapanatili kaya ng PNP ang kanilang pangunguna sa Group A standing sa sagupaan nila laban sa mas pinalakas na DOJ Justice Boosters. And for our final game, Battle of Champions naman ang aabangan natin lahat dahil haharapin ang Season 2 Champion AFP Cavaliers, ang defending champion na Judiciary Mages. And I'm sure excited na po kayo mga kasama na nandyan nanonood sa inyong mga tahanan at dito rin po sa Inares Sports Arena, pati na rin ang lahat po yan, ng ating mga fans sa UNTV. Kaya let's get started with the action. We'll now turn you over to Seb Sarmenta and Coach Ronnie Magsano.
Okay, maraming salamat Ryan at sa ating unang pagtatanghal para sa set na ito ng games, maglalaban ang isa sa ating mga bagong teams, ang Ombudsman. Sila ay kilala bilang Grabbusters laban sa BFP Firefighters na nanalo malaking isda ang kanilang nahuli.
Napakalaki dahil tinalo nila ang 2-time defending champion na kupunan ng Judiciary. Subalit doon sa kanilang unang laro, sila ay bumagsak doon sa kupunan ng AFP. Samantalang ang Ombudsman na pinangunahan ni Bernson Franco at of course si EJ File lost their first game at umaasa sila na baka sakaling makakuha sila ng kanilang unang panalo sa UNTV Cup kontra sa Firefighters.
Itong Firefighters magugustuhan mo Ronnie dahil masipag. Takbo ng takbo.
Diyan ba si Berong Bombero?
Oh, wala today.
Alam ko na.
Pinalis ni Ryan.
Alam ko na.
Kasalanan ni Ryan.
Na-traffic.
Na-traffic ako eh. So, pasensya na kayo. Hindi alam ni Ryan yun eh. Okay. So, ito magugustuhan mo kasi ito medyo nakapaglaro na ng isang season sa atin.
Tama.
At may sistema na. At saka itong Ombudsman naman, enthusiastic, magugustuhan mo rin ang energy nila.
Gustong-gusto ko talagang makita yung mga manlalarong dati nating nakasama, dati nating nakalaban at higit sa lahat kung paano nila na itataas ang antas dito sa UNTV Cup. Goes without saying na ang kanilang tangka ay makarating sa Final Four and hopefully contend for the crown. Hindi lang po participation dahil merong nakalaan. Sabi nga ni Ryan, 4 na milyon para sa magkakampyon, para sa chosen charity na mapipili.
Dati, isa tayo.
Isa.
1 million.
Oo.
No? Tapos si Kuya Daniel Razon ay isip ng paraan para tumamis ang ating tournament na kayo rin ay sumusuporta dito. Okay, pakilala na natin ang ating mga malalaro pati ang starting lineups.
Good afternoon and welcome here at the Inares Sports Arena for the first of today's triple header. It's the BFP Firefighters up against the Ombudsman Grabbusters in Season 4 eliminations of the UNTV Cup. Let us meet the protagonists. Welcoming first your BFP Firefighters. Number 0, Joselito Suma. Number 2, Adonis Cabais. Number 3, Archie Andumang. Number 5, Ray Namia. Number 8, Alberto Marqueses. Number 10, Marlon Adolfo. Number 13, Kurt Amores. Number 15, Jay Gutierrez. Number 17, Chris Eusebio. Number 19, Robbie Centeno. Number 20, Ross Cartuhano. Number 24, Julius Hayona. Number 28, Roderick Marquez. Number 30, Richmond Sibal. Number 31, Jonathan Egea. And number 32, Aluville Ferrer. Their head coach is Mon Garcia. Assistant coach is Marlon Centeno. Now give it up for your ombudsman, Craft Busters. Number 1, Albert Almoela. Number 3, Dennis Buenaventura. Number 4, Norman Cuentipo. Number 5, Hyderabad Casar. Number 6, Alan Dator. Number 7, Albert Francisco. Number 9, Quijano Laure. Number 10, Alex Lasso. Number 11, Cedric Malones. Number 12, Armando Sanchez. Number 13, Edsel Del Rosario. Number 14, Bernson Franco. Number 15, EJ File. Their head coach is Ryan Kilala. Assistant coaches are Edward Garcia and Michael Caballero. Now go teams, please meet at center court for the traditional sportsmanship handshake. Let's first meet the starting 5 of your BFP Firefighters. At guard number 31, Jonathan Egea. The other guard number 2, Adonis Cabais. At center number 30, Richmond Sibal. At forward number 24, Julius Hayona. And the other forward number 20, Ross Cartuhano. Here now is the starting lineup of your Ombudsman Craft Busters. At guard number 11, Cedric Malones. The other guard number 6, Alan Dator. At center number 15, EJ File. At forward number 4, Norman Cuentipo. And the other forward number 14, Bernson Franco. Officiating this ball game are Alan Manzano, Sam Del Rosario, and Jeff Tantay. This is our UNTV Cup, Liga ng Public Servants.
Handa na po ang lahat para sa ating bakbakan. Sali natin si Rina, ang birthday girl.
Ayan, Sir 7 Coach Ronnie at Sir Ryan, maraming salamat sa mga birthday greetings nyo. Ito lang masasabi ko sa inyo, maliit man sa personal, malaki pa rin pagdating sa mga TV screens nyo.
Palakpakan!
Ayan, and speaking of pagiging malaki, let's talk about the Ombudsman Draft Busters. Of course, they wanted to bounce back in today's ballgame. Sabi nga sa kanila ni Attorney Kilala, being a new team here is not an excuse for them not to be able to win games here. Ang kwento niya nga sa akin kanina, after daw nilang matalo during their last game, nagkaroon daw sila ng open forum at halos daw sa mga concerns nila ay sumentro dun sa pagiging kabado nila during their first game. Aside from that, yung pagiging too dependent nila dun sa mga reinforcements nila katulad nila Franco File at Del Rosario. Sabi nga dito ni Attorney Kilala, iwasan daw nila yung maging kabado. Instead, mag-focus na lang daw sila sa laro nila at maging komportable rin sa paglaro. Of course, for today's game, hindi muna maglalaro dito si Attorney Ryan Kilala dahil masakit daw yung kanyang left leg. At kung mapapansin nyo, dun sa likod ng kanilang bench, andun si Eric Baldonado. Won't see action for today's ball game dahil din sa kanyang left sprained ankle. 7 Coach Ronnie.
Palakpakan muna. Yay!
Meron din ako sagot kay Rina.
Ano?
Di man daw ako maputi, maitim pa din ako. Yehoo!
Sama kayong dalawa.
Tumatama pa si Rina.
Oo nga.
Tama, matangkad nga sa personal.
Oo nga. Mas malaki ho sa personal yan. Punta kayo sa games dito. 5-3 ang bilang natin. And Ombudsman with Franco at the anchor. Drilling it in.
That's a perfect pass coming from EJ File, the man in the middle, with that quarterback throw dito sa kanyang katuwang na si Bernson Franco.
One thing you like about EJ File is the fact that he's a great passer. And on the baseline went Sibal.
I don't think there's any more real estate left when EJ File steps on the
Parang
baseline.
sold out ano.
Ay, ano yan? 2-bedroom suite na yan.
Wala ka ng investment na
Wala na.
Bernson Franco, here's Attorney Dator. Looked like a good line, but no. They tried to save it from going out. Igea and company have the possession. Cartuano juggles the ball. Somebody deciding on what to do. And they will reset. Igea. There's a pushing foul. And that will go against number 11, Malones.
Kanina tumama sa Dator sa isang 3-point shot. Bago nagpakawala si Bertrand Franco ng 4 straight points for the Ombudsman. The other players ng Ombudsman, they have to be lethal threats para hindi talagang nakatunang depensa kay AJ Fal maging kay Franco.
Open shot from three-point country is allowed to just bounce out. And we are still at 7-3, 7:37 remaining in the opening 10 minutes.
Two of the starting players para dito naman sa kupunan ng Firefighters had double-digit production doon sa kanilang pagkapanalo kontra nga sa isang kupunan na hinarap nila after dropping their game versus AFP. Nalo ang PNP kontra sa Judiciary. He's in dire straits, so to speak, dahil sa dalawang sunod na pagkatalo.
Parang hindi familiar yung role na yun. Ano, ha?
Oo naman.
Here's Franco. Iona with the foul against him earlier. Battled for the rebound. Won by Franco, who's been tireless off the boards. Gets a putback and will visit the free throw line.
Bernson Franco had 37 points in his initial outing para dito sa Ombudsman. Missed only 6 shots. And also grabbed 5 rebounds, 16 of 22 from the field, 37 points. But EJ File was only good for 6 points, although he patrolled the paint really well para dito sa Grandmasters.
Sabi mo kay Franco kanina na nagka-chance maglaro sa Pure Foods. Sabi mo pumayat siya. No, ha?
Laki. Nakakalaro ko pa to siguro hanggang early this year. Ay,
Igea.
play ang katawan niya. Na si Igea knocks in another 3.
Saka nakakagalaw siya ngayon na mas mabilis.
Bilis.
Ano?
Oh, bilis. Oy, nice.
Oy, nice try. Hindi na inantay ng mga kampi na hindi makababa.
Hirap siya dito kay Simal dahil matangkad at saka mabilis din.
Egea challenging EJ File. EJ File swatting the flies away. Egea and company have 9 seconds of the shot clock. Moment of indecision creating the disaster. Malones' dribble interrupted. It will stay with the Graft Busters.
And there's no secret why the first 2 baskets ng white shirts came from rainbow line. EJ File occupies space in terms of horizontal and vertical positioning. Pag tinaas siya ng kamay niya, lampas na rin niya kung di ako nagkakamali eh.
Sigurado. 7+ eh. No?
Oo.
Pero napakabait na tao.
Mild manner talaga yan. Gentle giant talaga si EJ File. Edward Joseph File.
Nagka-chance ba magkakampi kayo?
Yes, sa Pure Foods. Alam mo, looking back at that Adamson team, nasa Adamson sila, they had Marlo Aquino, they had Giovanni Pineda, ang lalaki nun. Tapos yung guard nila ron, point guard nila, ay yung head coach ngayon ng UST Growling Tigers.
Si De La Cruz. Si De La Cruz.
Oo. Nandun si Kenneth, ha?
Nice pass. That won't work, however. And EJ File collects another rebound. 12-6 tally, 6:12 to go. Nice cut inside when Tipo.
Talked about the need for the teammates of Franco and EJ File to try to propel themselves to be legal threats. And now you have another teammate being able to attack the basket and score para dito sa Graft Busters. Meron ng 3 points itong si Dator at ito si Buentipo umatake at kumuha ng 2 puntos at sila ay may kalamangan na 8 puntos laban dito sa Firefighters.
Mas organized yung laro ngayon. Na tama yung ng Ombudsman. Tama yung punto ng report ni Rina kanina nung may kaba, first game, first time maglalaro. Kahit anong liga. Televised. Lalo na yung mga naglalaro na may televised. Ano? Hindi biro yan. Conscious ka bigla. Pero players look forward to it, to being covered. In the meantime, that shot by Adolfo does not work. And the rebound is controlled by Amores. Here's Amores. Says, hi, somebody bigger than me. And EJ File tiptoes for the rebound. However, he ran out of space.
Normally, Amores just hovers underneath the rim. But with EJ File acting like a tank inside, Amores has got no choice but to frolic along that high post area.
That shot rimming out. And here comes the rush. The pass is a dangerous one. as Laure went diagonal. Egea. Nice challenge. Sibal. Sibal rushing down to play D against Francos. Triple team. And they'll call it as traveling.
This is a conscious effort by the Firefighters to sprint down and protect that leak-out play. AJ File, even after they made basket, will launch that baseball pass. At mukhang yan ang isa sa mga go-to plays ng Ombudsman.
Coming down to the 5-minute mark. Good cut by Sibal and a foul against File. He doesn't know what happened right now.
Kanina umatake siya sa baseline, naka-escapo siya sa depensa ni EJ File. But here, coming from the high post area, nakita ni EJ File. And although he was able to beat the closeout defense ni EJ File, eh sumabit siya sa lapat ni EJ.
(15-8), 7-point spread. Sibal missing the free throw. Richmond Sibal standing 6'1".
6'1" lang yan, sir.
Sige, dagdagan mo. 6'3".
Parang ang laki.
Diba? May takong sa ilalim ng sapatos.
Kasi sinlaki ni si Adolfo, alam ko mga 6'3 yan eh.
Di tanongin natin. Pasukat nyo nga ulit. Biglang inutusan.
May height limit pa.
Ano yan? Mini? Ano yan? Ano yung basketball ng bata? Mosquito?
Mosquito, aspirants.
Yung may edad o height limit? Ano?
Oo.
Igea pops out. Adolfo glass shot. Too strong. 3 misses na si Marlon Adolfo.
Adolfo was huge para sa Firefighters dun sa kanilang unang panalo.
He was the best player in that game.
Yes. Nearly 30 points ang kanyang production doon sa laban na yun. 24 points. Also had 6 rebounds, 3 assists, and 2 steals.
Laure with a good feed to Franco. And the Ombudsman now in command by 9, 17-8.
They may be a smaller unit but they seem to know what to do in today's battle.
Yeah.
Sabi mo nga, wala nang kabog, wala nang pagiging conscious. Kaya ngayon ay nakakatulong ng gusto sa kanilang kampanya.
EJ File distracting the shot, but it goes in nonetheless. And Sibal is hard at work.
No doubt. And one thing is certain, Sibal is not afraid of EJ File.
Yeah, and that one is clear. That thing is clear. In the meantime, a penetration to the basket that does not work for Edsel Del Rosario, number 13 of the Ombudsman. That'll count.
They have to sprint down, talking about the Graph Busters, and try to not only protect the paint, but protect EJ File.
Parang babang football yan eh.
Oo, hindi pwedeng tatlo lang ang bumababa.
Hindi pwedeng yung goalkeeper lang ang mag-isa dyan. 5 ang lamang ng Graph Busters. Magbabalik po ang inyong UNTV Cup. Parehong bantay ang ating dalawang kupunan. Bantay ang Ombudsman ng
Katiwalian.
Katiwalian.
Yes.
Sa pamahalaan. Samantala, laban sa sunog ang mga bombero natin, ang Bureau of Fire Protection. Tumaway sa akin kaninang umaga yung aking mga barkadang BFP sa
Diyan, sa tabi mo.
Quezon City,
Oo.
San Juan. Nagkalimutan. Kanino bola? Yan. Nakalimutan sa second free throw.
Natawa si EJ, wow, 5.
Oo nga.
Sabi niya, wow.
Paborito niya, expression niya. Del Rosario is in the middle, tells the rest of the team, get into position. Del Rosario hounded by Igea. Attracts the double team. The pass intended inside for Franco. Lost, but Del Rosario trying to snare it back. Unsuccessful.
Oh my.
Oh my ka dyan. Kasi nawala ang bola.
Ang hirap makastop when you throw the ball away. Nakapangihina yun sa mga
yun,
kasama, lalong-lalo na naghahabol sila rito.
Saka impatience yun eh, no? Oh, sandali. Foul si Sibal.
That's a reversal of roles for EJ File and Bernson Franco. high-low look coming off that inbound play.
Penalty na BFP ha. Sa puntong ito, sila'y down by 5. 3:04 to go. Casar is in the game for the first time.
Where's San Franco so far? Para dito sa Ombudsman, a total of 11 quick points. 5 of 8 from the field. 2 of 3 from the line, make that 12 total points.
Alam mo, 6'3 ka, 6'4. Dati kang PBA. Marami mag-iimbita sa'yo maglaro.
Yung hindi ka nga nasa kondisyon, maski ng 5'9", bitahin ko rin.
Bagay.
Lalabo lang ang mata mo sa pagod. Pero
Lang. Pero nagdadasal sila, sana ganun ka pa rin kabilis. Pero, di ba?
at least wishful thinking.
Sabi ng utak anong pinaggagagawa? Sabi ng utak, kaya. Sabi ng katawan, you gotta be kidding. Samantala, Casar.
We have Buentipo with 3, Casar with 2, Dator with 3. And that is already a total of 7 points na naiambag ng mga kasama ni Franco at EJ File.
Sayang yung play na yun. Pass intended for Franco. Franco was more on a foul-baiting expedition than anything else. And this one will result probably in a sideline inbound.
Kamali ako, 3, 2, and 3. That's a total of 8 plus the 12 of Franco. 4 players accounting for the 20 points. Para dito sa Ombudsman, para naman sa BFP. Silipin natin yung 5 puntos ni Hayona who came up with the first 3-point basket of this contest. 4 ni Sibal. Uy, back tip, matatawagan ng foul.
And Amores taking care of business there. Slicing down the lead to 6. Player number 1, that is Albert Almuela, is in for the first time for the Graft Busters. Del Rosario strikes up a 3, ends up rimming out. Franco is rejected, and the ball will stay there.
It was a lot of contact on that Franco attempt.
And we're down to 12 seconds on the shot clock. Lazo trying to break away from the defense in front of him. And the pass intended to the baseline for Almuela, resulting in the ball bouncing out. 5 seconds remain on the shot clock. Trying to come up with a sneaky play on the baseline instead of foul called against them. Or is it on Amores?
First foul on Kurt Amores.
You can clearly see that Franco is really very quick in terms of positioning, in terms of fighting for the basketball. Kaya sa bilis niya, tangkad niya, kadalasan nauuna siya sa positioning at yung pagkuha ng bola.
Saka pag magaan ka, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Una, madali magsuot ng pantalon.
Pagtali ng sapatos.
Huminga, makbo. Pwede ka pa kumain na mas madalas.
Ay, sarap.
Walang mga ngantsaw sa'yo. Ay, naku. Wala. Casar. Umatake. Umarang si Adolfo. Natapik ni Amores. Tapik, counter tapik. Franco, sidestepping, traveling. Daming hakbang.
Hindi ako nagkakamali, galing PCU itong si Franco.
Malamang. Okay. Kasabay nila.
Gabi Espinas, kundi ako nagkakamali. O baka nauna siya, kaya Gabi.
Una ng kapiraso, pero palagay ko nagpangabot. Wala pa, hindi makaswak si Adolfo. Mga 5 mintis na yan.
Sukatin natin. 0 of 3.
Del Rosario.
Parang mahigit 3 natin ni Reggie.
Oo nga. May dugo daw. Nakita ko si Lasso. Inausap yung referee at may dugo. Ayun, meron nga. Infection control. Mapapalitan si
Del Rosario.
si Balones ang papasok. Time down to 42 seconds. still in the first quarter. And by all indications, it looks like the Ombudsman will come out of this quarter with their heads above the water. Nice fadeaway. Almost had it there. The intended pass to Malones batted outside.
Armando Sanchez coming in for Alex Lazo.
We're left with only 20.2 seconds. Lasso now replaced by Sanchez.
Shot clock 19 seconds.
Sinatsaga na ng firefighters na mas matindi yung kanilang on-the-ball defense. Pero mabilis din kumilos itong mga Graftbusters.
And the break out, Hayona.
Ayun yung pinupunto ko kanina, Seb. Putting more pressure on the guy with the basketball, trying to force turnovers, which they were able to do.
A head pass. Not enough time to come up with any more plays. At the end of 10 minutes, it is a 21-16 opening quarter. We will be back with your UNT Recap Bank Liga ng ating mga public servants. Okay, Rina wanted to make a report, but we were running out of time. Let's allow her to do it at the top of the second quarter. Rina?
Yes, Seb, update lang muna tayo dito kay Edsel Del Rosario. No? Kanina nga sa paglaro nila, medyo naging physical yung game, kaya hindi sinasadya na tamaan nga siya dito ni Kurt Amores ng BFP Firefighters. Nagkaroon siya ng nosebleed, pero bigla din itong tumigil yung kanyang pag-nosebleed. No? Ang hindi pa nga siya, sinasabi niya sa akin kanina, okay lang daw siya. Now, with regards to the BFP Firefighters, ang sabi nga sa kanila ni Coach Ramon Garcia kanina is do not be intimidated with the taller lineup of the Ombudsman. Do not be intimidated dun sa kanilang mga reinforcements. Ang kailangan nila dito, mag-focus lang sila sa larong ito and compensate it by playing here with the bigger heart. Sabi nga ni Coach Ramon dito, ang mananalo dito, hindi yung mas matangkad at saka yung hindi yung mas may experience, kundi yung mas may puso sa paglalaro dito. 7, Coach Ronnie.
Thanks a lot, Rina. Excellent framing by Coach Garcia, trying to give his team a fulcrum from which to spring from. In the meantime, we have Sebald taking a rest. And in his place, we have number 5. If I'm not mistaken, number 5 is Ray Stephen Namya. Here's Casar, who scored earlier. So, at least in the first quarter, Ronnie, the BFP already, or rather the Ombudsman, off to a better start.
Talagang makikita natin, Seb, na meron silang ibang fire and passion na pinapakita dito sa larong to. Although matatawagan ngayon si EJ File ng unsportsmanlike foul. Extra motion after their conversion.
Malamang free throws ito. Dalawang free throw ang ibibigay sa BFP.
Tingnan natin kung masisilip natin yung huling pangyayari doon. Nakita ko, banda yung conversion doon sa tira. Tapos, nasa opposite side si EJ File. Still fuming si EJ.
Wow, yung mabait, medyo may salubong din ang kilay, ang hari. Mainit ang ulo ng Reno. Kasi, two free throws. Kaya silipin natin pagkatapos itong free throw, ha? Bukan natin. Anyway. Second, sayang, hindi pumasok yung free throws. Anyway, 23-17 count. Bumpy start in the first 30 seconds. Let's see if both teams can settle down. Egea, short pass, Amores, quick. Too quick a release.
Shadow, no? Shadong ilang.
Kasi tira.
Oo.
Tira agad.
EJ Fal was nowhere near, pero hindi man lang naka-square up si Amores.
And in the meantime, the shot is an air ball. Egea looks ahead. In the hands now of the drive. Nabitawan ni Antoine. Finally, he makes the basket.
I don't know about that.
Traveling sa'yo.
Oo. It's a good break para dito sa Firefighters. First 2 points para kay Marlon Adolfo. Let's see if that will get him going.
Del Rosario had the nosebleed earlier. Now, File plucks it in the air. Del Rosario thought about a second serving. He's jammed. They have to make a decision when Teapot dropping it inside. Nothing doing. May karga ng bola. May karga ng bola.
Mas pwedeng i-let go yan kaysa ron sa kanina, sir.
Ano na? Ito yung kanina siguro. Yung excess foul. Tingnan natin, ha? Tingnan natin. Tinulak. Tinulak. Sandal. Ayun, may baon. May isa pa. Ang bigat nun.
Parang Steven Seagal, ah.
Huda!
Yeah. Ah. Yeah.
Tapos hindi nagugulong buhok.
Yes. Kasi naka-ponytail. Jiu-jitsu yun, ano?
Yata. Nakapag-ponytail nga tayo.
Tagal nun.
Oo, siguro. No? Inis ng asawa natin. Pagupit nga kayo! Oh,
Nice
Bentibo!
feed. Nice feed coming from Franco.
Very calm game by the Ombudsman, actually. They've settled down. Siguro nakapag-practice na rin ito, Ronnie. No?
Totoo yan. At saka, mas nakilala sigurado nila si AJ at si Bernson Franco. Mas kalmado ang timpla. AJ File covering everything inside.
Yeah. Namia and company can't go anywhere. Side, Dator, no. Rebound lost. Amores could not hang on to it, though he was uncontested.
Nakikita ko naman dito sa Firefighters, sobrang kagustuhan nilang kainin yung lamang. Nanggigigil sila at nagmamadali. Where in fact, they're only 2 possessions behind dito sa kupunan ng Graftbusters.
Del Rosario tracks down his own miss. Under goal stab, no. And Franco unable to secure it on the repossession.
Different combination right now for Coach Garcia. But of course, they will continue to rely heavily dito kay Marlon Adolfo. Was only accounted for 2 points.
Open shot. Ayaw. May alat yung side na yun para kay Adolfo, no?
Kadalasan, nasintado yan. 1 of 6.
Knocking foul number 14, Bernson Franco, his first 3 on the Graftbusters. Cedric
Malones has been in and out of the ball game. Namia will inbound, but Sibal reports back in.
Parehong kupunan, manipis ang rotation, sir.
Yep.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
That is why they try to juggle whatever they have sa kanilang substitution pattern para hindi bumaba yung laro na gusto nila.
Nice pass to the middle. Outside, Adolfo hesitant, gun shy, lobs it up. Little too strong. File tap again. Malones picks it up. Here we go with a 3-on-2. Malones all drops to Franco. Doesn't waste it.
And again, doing the little things, making it easier for Franco to dominate the scoring for the Graftbusters. Super quick ang mga kasama ni EJ at ni Franco back to an 8-point lead.
15 of the 27 belong to Franco.
At ang problema naman ng Firefighters, hindi sila talaga tumatama.
Walang ano,
Wala
no?
sa perimeter.
May konting alat, ano?
34%.
Mababa
And
yun.
even going down, ang problema sila, pati free throw shooting nila is only at 14%. 1 of 7.
Egea says, nanay ko po! Tatayin ako na! 5! Leak out, Franco! Bawi!
Perfect pass. Another touchdown for Bernson Franco. Franco is already
17.
17 points. On course towards 40 plus points si Bernson Franco.
Sibal, nothing but net.
Sibal has really played well. And again, a baseball pass to Franco. Pero alam mo sir, mahirap saluhin yan.
Oo. Kasi ang dami mong tinitingnan.
Nakakapagod din yan.
Nakatingin ka, tinusukat mo yung distansya mo to the baseline, yung mga bumabantay sa'yo.
At yung isipin mo yung gagawin pag salo sa bola.
Ano nga ba ang gagawin ko, no? Dator launches a 3. Good line. He knocks it in.
Dator started out the game with a 3.
It's just a 2.
Oh, long 2 naman ang ngayong pinakawalan ni Dator. Spirited, determined ang nakikita nating mga kasama ni AJ at ni Bryson Franco.
The lead is 9, down below 5 minutes here in the second period. Here comes a shot from the corner. No. And Franco is cherry picking. Fouled by Egea.
How do you defend the leak outs? Well, in fact, AJ Fal can easily collar the rebound. She missed shots even from inside the three-point line. The only solution there is to pick your spots and raise your field goal rate para hindi sila matakbuhan ni AJ and company.
Franco missing the first. 31-23. It's an 8-point lead. 4:40 left to play in the second. So Franco, a little of everything.
Tignan mo yung pawis
Tak.
at yung game appearance ni Bryson Franco kumpara sa iba. Yung pawis niya pang dulo na eh. Grabe na yung pamumula niya, sir. That's the kind of effort that he has put in to be able to keep the Draftbusters ahead.
Well, pwede sabihin hindi bumababa eh. No? Pabilis ng natakbo niya. Eh.
Ito, malaking bagay si Malones sa pace.
Siya tiga-spearhead ng atake eh.
Kailangan mo parati yan eh. Ang tawag namin dyan sa track and field, yung rabbit na tinatawag. Diba sa mga middle distance, lagi may ganyan na hindi naman talaga kasali.
Na
Diba?
isang strategy na natutunan ng mga Amerikano sa mga Ethiopians.
Yung lead runner, tapos aalis na yon pag dinaset na niya yung pace.
Fade out.
Oo.
1968 Olympics, si Bob Bryan, nadali. World record holder siya, nadali siya ng Ethiopia.
Sila at Bebe Bikila ba?
Mga hindi, nauna si Abebe Bekila. 2 taon nanalo ng marathon niya.
Bebe Bikila.
Nanakapa. Oh, para tayo nanonood ng baseball. Line to center field.
Talk about a workhorse. Yan ay si Franco para dito sa Draftbusters.
Baseline, no? Alam mo, nagko-compound sa problema ng firefighters.
Ano?
Hindi talaga makashoot.
Yan ang sinasabi natin, sir. They're getting good looks. They even have more touches than
Lalo
the
na
Woodsman.
sa side na yun, sa left side.
Kasi hindi naman magko-close out si EJ eh.
Oh, nice pass. Huli ka. Adolfo caught with Tipo. Adolfo receiving it. Malones stepping into the dribble. Dator thought about it. When Tipo, Franco fakes, fires. Nilagyan na lang ng pektus.
Malones, once again, helping out. Dator, very smart. At itong si Buen Tipo was not about to force it. It's all about role play and understanding ko nung pwede lang may tulong para dito kay AJ at kay Bryson Franco.
Okay, ito si Buen Tipo, no? Iaharap ko yan kay Munson ng MMDA.
Itap.
Gigitap at sa
Iridia.
Kay Harold Munson, di ba? Yung mga kitikiting parang may mga posporo sa sapatos. Franco with 18 points shoots a pair again. Bagay, magkagrupo ang Ombudsman, DFP, MMDA, House of Representatives, AFP, at ang nasa dulong Judiciary.
Franco. 20 total points para kay Bryson Franco and counting. 20 of the 33 points coming from this former PBA player who is piping hot as Marlon Adolfo nails a floater for in the game for Marlon Adolfo. 6 na puntos na pala, 3 of 9. I stand corrected.
Here's Malones. Grabe.
Tingnan mo yung hingal ni Bernson Franco sa babang bumababa naka-pamewang.
Si Malones parang yung alalam yung player, si Matt Makalintal. Di ba?
Walang kapaguran yun.
Nakakainis yun. Nakalaro ko minsan sa laro yun. Hoy, bagalan mo nga, sabi ko. Puro likod nakita ko.
Ay, sanay ako dyan. Mukhang foul number 3 na ito para kay AJ File. Oo.
Bakit sanay ka na?
Kasi lahat ng makalaro ko mabilis sa akin eh.
So, ginagawa mo style na lang.
Hawakan ko sa shorts.
Di magandang style yun.
Ipagtakbo nila, kasama ka.
Ay, sumakay ka na. Bagay, matipid. 2.5 remaining, 33-27.
Pero foul yun, ha?
Siyempre. Pero ito yung punto mo kahasos. Airball. Ito yung punto mo, sabi mo, medyo nanggigigil yung BFP.
Sobra.
Kasi nga, hindi mapasok yung tira. Here's Del Rosario, zigzagging. Sending it to the other side. Malones and company have a 10-second shot clock. Inside we go. The pass outside. Del Rosario launches. No. Long.
Pero tama ang tira.
Yep, indeed. Albert Francisco, number 7, is in the game for the first time for the Ombudsman. Franco, mahirap na saluhin.
Napagod na si Franco talaga. One thing going para dito sa Ombudsman is, in spite of the fact that they already have 12 turnovers, they have 9 extra passes. At yung mga magagandang setups na yan ay nagbibigay sa kanila ng mas madaling tira compared to the 2 assists ng koponan ng BFP. Para dito sa Ombudsman, ang top assist man nila ay walang iba kundi si AJ File sa kanyang picture perfect ng mga baseball passes na right on the dot para kay Frank.
Gutierrez is in the game for the first time. He's entrapped. Namyang. Wala, no? Wala ka naman masabi. Nakikita naman yung basket. Kulang kaya sa lobo. Nice. Wala pa din. Wala.
Wala na si AJ sa loob. Si Bernson Franco hindi na sumabay. Everything but the shot para dito kay Sibal. Galing gumalaw ni Malones.
Yep. Franco, nobody to pass to. Buenaventura in for Malones. Laure is also back in. Coming down to 1 minute and 7 seconds here in the second. Wing. Oy, sa kabila nakuha, no?
Finally,
Ayaw sa kabila. Dito tayo sa kabila.
this would be the third 3-point conversion para sa Firefighters. Kaya lang, patapos na yung quarter. But let's see if that will give them the momentum to be more confident in taking those outside shots.
Del Rosario throws up a prayer and a chance for one more basket. Siba, nice dipsy-do.
You always want to finish the quarter strongly. It's all about closing quarters. Well,
Ano yan, kahit behind ka?
oo. Kasi pangbuelo mo yan eh. At saka alam mo, may sipa kayo sa dulo.
Kasi mas maganda ang lakad yung papunta sa lakad.
Yan, oo. That'll be a traveling call on the Bernson Franco.
Alam mo kasi si Franco, alam naman natin to, wala siyang perimeter shot eh. No? So ikakabayo niyan, kakalabawin niyan, papalaog eh.
Score set ng second quarter.
Ah.
21-16 sa first quarter eh. So 12 points para sa Red Shirts at 15 points para dito sa Firefighters. At mabigat yung tres ni Adolfo at yung dos ni Sibal kanina. That will count. So that means it is an 8-0 run kung may pasok ni Adolfo yung huling tira niya dito in the last minute.
Laking bagay na wala si EJ File, ano?
Sandaling
Oy.
panahon.
Tatabla tayo. Wala na. Good place to start. Time at the start of the third quarter, but we'll take a short break right now as we allow Ryan to present our features, and we'll try to dissect this first half after these messages.
Thank you, Seven, Coach Ron. There we have it for the first half of our first game for today. Ang labanan ng BFP Firefighters kontra Ombudsman Graph Busters. Samantala, we go on a break for this time. Kilalanin muna natin ang bagong team na buong pusong nakiisa sa UNTV Cup ngayong season. Kilalanin natin ang Ombudsman Graph Busters. Let's watch this. Ang Ombudsman Graph Busters ang pinakabagong kuponang nakiisa ngayong Season 4 ng UNTV Cup.
Ang Ombudsman talaga walang formal na team na ready to play. The last time na may buong team ang Ombudsman was in 2013. And 2014 wala, tapos eto na lang ulit 2015 na nung pumayag na makasali ang Ombudsman sa UNTV.
Ang Ombudsman Graph Busters ay binubuo ng mga players mula sa iba't ibang mga teams na kalahok sa Inter-Bureau Tournament ng ahensya.
Nag-meeting kami ng mga players na naglalaro dun sa liga, and we decided na with the short period na naibigay sa amin to submit the lineup, namili na lang kami not only based on yung statistics, but tinignan namin yung basketball IQ ng players na lang and kung ano yung pwede niyang role or contribution para sa team. Sa amin, halo-halo talaga. In the team, meron kaming I think 4 yata kami na lawyers sa team. Yung iba, nasa investigation bureau. Tapos katulad ko, ako ay nasa prosecution bureau. Tapos halo-halo na iba-ibang mga agencies or bureaus sa loob ng Ombudsman.
Sa tune-up games pa lamang for UNTV Cup Season 4, ay agad nang nasubukan ng kakayahan ng newly formed Graph Buster Squad.
Nung una kaming sumali dito sa UNTV Cup, siyempre, ang tingin namin sa sarili namin, mataas na yung skills level namin. But nung nagkaroon mga tune-up game, doon kami nagkaroon ng realization na kulang pa. So after the tune-up, siguro we have increased siguro mga 2 notches compared to dun sa skills level nung time na lumabang kami nung tune-up games.
At upang lalo pang mapalakas ang kupunan, kabilang din sa Graph Busters ang former professional players na sina EJ5 at Bernson Franco at ang amateur standout na si Edsel Del Rosario.
Tinawagan ko si Edsel Del Rosario. Si Edsel po ay anak ni Coach Arik, kapatid ni Coach Lester Del Rosario. And tinanong ko siya kung available siya, and then tinanong ko kung sino yung mga available players na pwede niyang i-commit para sa team. Na-contact niya si EJ and then na-contact niya si Bernson. Kaya nabuo silang 3 para sa Ombudsman.
At bilang rookie team this season, determinado ang grupo na maipanalo ang bawat laro at talunin ng mga powerhouse teams sa liga.
Siyempre kami yung bago, kami excited, kundi lang nga dun sa pagkatalo nung last game, siguro mas gutom na makatikim ng panalo kaysa dun sa iba. Sa mga supporters ng Ombudsman Team Graph Busters, wag ho kayo magsasawa na manood ng UNTV Season 4 at wag ho kayo magsasawa na sumuporta sa ating team. Laban Ombudsman lang.
Sa pakikiisa nila sa public service advocacy ng Liga, kasama ang inspirasyong makatulong sa kanilang napiling beneficiary. Nakahanda ang Ombudsman Graph Busters na harapin ang bawat hamon na nag-iisang liga ng mga public servants, ang UNTV Cup. Dito po sa UNTV, every team is a champion in our hearts, gaya ng Ombudsman Graph Busters dahil sa pakikiisa nila sa advocacy ng ating ligang, nagiging champion na din sila sa puso ng mga natutulungan ng UNTV Cup. Samantala, let's now pause for a short break. When we return, ipagpapatuloy na po natin ang sagupaan ng BFP Firefighters kontra Ombudsman Graph Busters. We'll be right back. Welcome back po muli mga kasama. Nandito pa din po tayo sa Inaras Sports Arena sa natatanging liga po ng mga public servants, ang UNTV Cup. And at this point, nakahanda na po ang ating mga teams for the remaining half of our first game as the BFP Firefighter goes up against the Ombudsman Graph Busters. Back to you, 7, Coach Ronnie.
1, 2, 3, sabi. Kasi puro 3 eh. Yung score, tingnan mo. Kasi umahabol ng bandang dulo, nung umupo si EJ Pyle, nakahabol itong grupo ng mga bombero.
Isang 8-0 run, pinakawala nila Marlon Adolfo nung bahagyang naupo.
Ayusin mo yung mic mo nang marinig ka nila yan.
Isang 8-0 run ang pinakawala ni Marlon Adolfo at ang kabuuan ng firefighters nung sa bahagyang pagkakaupo EJ File because of 3 personal fouls, down by 8. Now we have a tied contest heading to the final 2 quarters.
Okay, ano ang nung nag-settle down, no, nung pumapasok na yung tira ng BFP, medyo nakaratrat na sila at lumuwag yung lane. Wala na yung malaking...
Hindi lang sumobra ang luwag, Seb. Natakbuhan nila itong
lumaki,
ombudsman dahil sa 15 turnovers ng Graft Busters. At yan ang naging susi nila Marlon Adolfo na matakbuhan itong koponan nila EJ File at Bernson Franco. In spite of the fact that 22-12 ang rebounding advantage ng ombudsman, masyadong maraming turnovers. In fact, mas marami pang tira ng Firefighters kontra sa kanila. Firefighters had 7 more extra possessions kumpara dito sa Graft Busters.
Okay, so naka-adjust na pareho. So sabi ng Graft Busters ba na wala yung lead na anong biggest lead? 11?
Umabot ng, alam ko, higit 10 puntos siya. Pero ang mabigat kasi, Seb, 3 personal fouls na si EJ File.
Yan.
Anytime EJ File is outside the hardcourt, talagang yung efficiency level ng kanilang koponan ay talagang bababa.
Walang question. Okay, handa na po natin ang buksan na natin ang tabing. Okay? Para maumpisahan po ang ating third quarter of play. Pero bago muna yan, ladies first.
Ay,
Rina, go.
birthday girl.
So, Sev, para sa koponan ng BFP at ng Ombudsman, sa koponan ng BFP, play it slowly but surely, play it smoothly and smartly. Yan nga ang kailangan nila to be able to dominate in the second half. Inside the dugout, ang sabi sa kanila ni Coach Ramon Garcia, kung sino daw yung mas masipag sa paglalaro dito, mas mananalo. That's why it's important for them na wag tamarin sa paghabol ng bola at kailangan mas maging matulungan din sila dun sa mga teammates nila, and more importantly, to play with a lot of common sense. Dito naman sa dugout ng Ombudsman, ang sabi sa kanila, maging matyaga lang sa paglalaro dito at huwag nilang bilisan yung kanilang opensa. 7, Coach Ronnie.
Maraming salamat, Rina Villamor. Ilang taong ka na, Rina? Huwag mong tatanungin ko ilang taong.
Parang natigilan, Seb. Oo, parang na-whiplash.
Na-whiplash ba?
Oo, parang nakakita ng sale.
Mali ang tanong.
Oo, parang nakakita ng
Ulitin ko
sale.
yung tanong. Ulitin ko yung tanong.
Oo.
Ilang taong ka nang nagko-courtside report?
Yan. Masasagot niya yan.
Yan.
Third period.
12?
Kasi, nung nag-umpisa mag-courtside reporter yan, 16.
14 years na, Seb.
14 years.
13.
13
Oo,
years.
lilit kasi ng mga daliri
Hindi makita.
Pero malaki sa personal. Ang paa.
Don't go there. Inside action. Ito na, si Hayona. Itong malaking bagay itong si Malones, ha?
Hindi Moses, ha?
Malones.
Oo.
Malones. Sige, Malones tayo. Yeah. Malones si Hindi ko magagawa. Saka napaka-heady. Maganda tumiskarte.
Sila ni Dan Rosario.
Yep. Franco gets it to crawl inside.
At the bat,
21
punta na naman
points
kay Bernson Franco agad.
Parang kung sa volleyball, porsyento eh. Di ba?
Porsyentuhan.
Porsentuhan na.
Bigyan ng bigyan.
Saka kasi, di ba, gusto manalo today ng Ombudsman. Ayaw nilang umuwi na may talo today.
Ilan na lang ba ang mga walang panalong koponan? 3 na lang eh. Malacanang,
Judiciary.
Judiciary at Ombudsman.
Again, Adolfo stolen from the blind side.
By
of
who?
Amores. Sino?
Malones.
And counter takeaway here. Here's Adolfo gliding gracefully. Nice passing. They got it against CJ5, who would not sacrifice another foul.
Si Mal understanding that he needs to attack EJ5 even if the skyscraper is there in the middle. Extra pass dito kay Adolfo. Basket once again for Marlon Adolfo na nag-iinit na, Seb, after a lethargic start.
Very slow start. He was looking to hit the target. We're tied at 35. We were tied at 33 at the end of 2 quarters. Distracted, Sibal. There's Malones gliding towards the right side, top of the keyhole. Problematic dribble. Franco. Penetration,
Husay.
yes.
Mahusay maghanap ng butas sa depensa nitong si Buentipo. Very high percentage player. 7 in the game for the slashing. Buentipo.
Magkabait ka dyan, baka ma-ombudsman siya. Ikaw,
Sir, yes sir.
Kasi special prosecutor
Ala.
itong si Buentipo. Your Honor, Franco. Ayaw. Rebound pinagtatalunan. Less than 8 minutes to go. At saan pupunta ang bola? Maninatili dyan sa bahaging yan.
Mas magaling si Bernson Franco pag parang semi-hook o floater, no? Kaysa pag pa-layup.
Parang pa-layup, wala siyang confidence.
Dumidilensya siya pag lumilayup siya.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Naghahanap siya ng end 1-7. Kaya hindi pataas yung talon niya. Nag-aabang siya ng contact.
Ito si Bantipo. Kay File, maaray ko. Ang sakit ko. And EJ File will visit the free throw line.
Third personal, 305 fighters. 2 free throws for EJ File.
Ito, sampalang katakot-takot. Doon yata kay Amores ang foul. EJ secures the first. And it is now a 3-point lead at 38-35.
Only the first point for EJ File. Pero yung impact niya sa laro, ay talagang saksakan ng laki.
Yeah. Lagi naman. Inside we go. And the intended no-look pass is slapped away. Igea recovers it. Ball fake and all. File changes the shot. File changes the pass. And Del Rosario picks up the loose change. And a foul against Iona.
Yan ang kita naman niya. Yung harap ni Del Rosario dahil nasa harap siya, kinakalagkan siya. Lakas din ang katawan ni Del Rosario. Saka magulang maglaro.
From outside, alam mo yung player na UP, si Chuchu Serrano.
Oo,
na yun.
kanina kasama ko lang.
Parang ganyan, no?
Kasama ko lang si Chuchu kanina. Ibang Chuchu yung yung pumipenetrate siya nag-NBA.
Siya yun.
Oo.
Siya rin yun.
Oo.
Naglaro siya sa NBA. Manila Metro
Mahusay
Stars.
yun. Parang si Conchi de la Cruz maglaro.
One of the last times na nag-Final Four ang UP.
I believe so.
Yan, nung 97, nasa UAAP ako nun.
Sila Coach Nick Jorge pa yata yan. Paolo Mendoza yata yan.
Yes. Ang taong maswerte sa Las Vegas. Paolo Mendoza. Nanalo sa
Ang
casino.
BMW, no?
O something.
Oo. BMW. Franco continues his relentless assault at the
Sobra.
basket. Oo, talagang non-stop. Nakakapagod yan dahil banggaan, tulakan, takbuhan. Ayan na naman.
And suddenly, it's a 7-2 run by the men in red. And they're being more patient. Franco, Del Rosario, 6 on the shot clock. When Tibo is open, Del Rosario looking for an angle off the glass now. Rebound Franco,
Yeah.
yes.
Ay sinasabi natin, Seb. Half hook, half floater. From a 33 all count, this is already a 9-2 blast. Open up the third para sa Grandbusters.
ang ating score, less than 6 minutes to play in the third. And as Ronnie Magsano pointed out, it's a 9-2 early surge by the Graft Busters of the Ombudsman's Office.
Binanggit natin kanina, pang buwelo sana ng fire protection yung
Yung dulo ng
yung dulo ng second quarter. Instead, merong rest back na ginawa itong ombudsman.
Yeah. Sibal trying to
AJ getting away with the nudge.
and trying to get that fourth foul. Franco dish to the other side. Penetration, will it bite? Yes.
Just being there, just being present, just helping out, sprinting down, and making yourself available. You have Casar. And of course, itong si Buentipo, nakakatulong si Dator, tumama ng isang tres.
Dalawa. Isang dos, isang tres.
Yung mga ganyang bagay, si Sanchez may 2 puntos.
That's why it's called a team.
Correct. In spite of the fact that Franco had majority of the shots, yung mga tulong nila, ang laking bagay nun as Franco once again has that impeccable touch when he goes for that semi-hook.
That'll be 25 points for Franco again spearheading the attack. And if you do the math, it's 30-2.
Franco has 27 of the 46 points for the red shirts. Coming off a 34 or 37-point performance ba? Ano?
Oo, tama. Yun ang sinasabi ko kanina.
Oo, coming off a 37-point performance. Itong si Burnson Franco.
Bagamat talo yun
Oo.
sa House of Representatives.
Ayan, 28 na siya, sir.
Oo. Shot
Wala
clock.
si Hayona, no, sir?
Andyan, pero
Hindi na tumama.
hindi na tumama. Ayaw. Igea, sinasampal ang bola, pinulot ni Hayona. Diyos ko, sabi niya, subukan natin.
On cue, answering the roll call, Hayona attacking the defense, going deep into the heart of the defense of the red shirts, able to score, and he puts in only the 4th point dito sa ating third quarter para dito sa white shirts as we have already reached the halfway mark of this period.
And Julius Hayona taking care of the +1. Finally, nakakolekta na ng 5 points ang kupunan ng BFP. Tagal nilang na-stuck dun sa 35. 8-second violation.
This is the kind of ball pressure that they exerted to be able to force turnovers laban dito sa kupunan ng Ombudsman. Kasi nilalakad lang ng red shirts ang bola eh. Ubus oras, planta-planta, tapos atakihin sila ni Franco sa loob.
Igea. Adolfo runner. Rebound Casar.
Then sabi yung mga ganyang rebound, laking bagay niyan.
Yung mga papulot-pulot.
Oo,
ano?
nakakapahinga si EJ kahit pa paano.
EJ thought about it. Del Rosario launches. Can't knock in one from the wrong distance. They tried to save it from going out. Bit-bit. Ayaw malakas. Bit-bit. Yes.
Ito na naman.
Wala, iniwanan sila.
That is not a replay nor a rewind. But EJ foul once again. Parang may baseball mitt, Sev eh. At pag tumapon, parang nasa third base, no?
Oo.
O nasa center field, rather.
Oo, papuntang
Home plate.
Ganun kalayo.
Oo, para tayo nasa Rizal Pitch, ah. Rizal Diamond, ah.
Saan ba talaga? Sa pitch o sa diamond?
Good lang.
Sa tabi ka sa swimming pool.
Oo, magkakatabi yun.
Nung mga bata kami, nag-iipon kami pera para mag-swimming sa Rizal.
Ganda.
Hindi naman maganda kasi, di ba, 2 options sa Manila yan eh. YMCA o Rizal Memorial.
YMCA sa may United Nations.
Layo mo naman. Sa likod lang ng ano,
Na,
Arroceros. Ang YMCA. Ayaw. Bandaro na rin yun. Yun na yun. Kasi naman, nilalakad lang natin yan.
oo, totoo naman. Huwag pumunta ka nga sa ibang bansa, sir. Ilang blocks ang nilalakad natin eh.
One malamig.
Di ba? Dito sa atin, hindi ka lang maibaba ng jeep o bus sa tamang lugar.
Gagalit.
Kakatukin mo na yung taka.
Yan lang ako sa tabi. Tabi!
Para.
Paano kaya si Rina pagka nihinto niya jeep? Although nagda-drive yan, ano?
Mama! Hello!
Ayan na. Sibal splitting his charities. 8-point game.
Closing out quarters is something that the firefighters have been able to do well, especially dun sa nakalipas na second quarter. They're behind by 8 right now. Let's see kung meron silang second win dito sa ating madulong third quarter.
Hindi makuha sa malayo ni Del Rosario. And Del Rosario scores on the attack for his first basket.
Well, laro talaga itong si Del Rosario.
Kita mo sa galaw eh,
Maski
no?
1 of 10 from the field, meron pa rin siyang valyong nagagawa.
Oh, Franco stealing it from behind. The pass to Melones. Melones couldn't get it. Franco tried to clean it up. No. Igea tapping it safely to a teammate. Adolfo stopping on a dime.
Nice. Ito na naman, Sev.
Wala. Not this time.
It's a good idea by Egea, tipping that ball away from Franco.
Igea. Blocked by File. Hayona may have traveled. Shot clock at 6.
That's a good foul. They're not yet over the limit. Pero mukhang shooting foul lang itatawag. Ay, hindi, tama. Baseline of bounds pa lang. Baseline throw-in rather.
Si Casar ang tinawagan ng foul doon. Ang oras na nalalabit, 2 minutes and a half. Again, company have to make a decision quick. No cutters. The jumper, yes.
Short corner shots are always difficult to make. They missed a lot in the first half. They nailed one here as we are nearing the 2-minute mark. Right now, the double-digit lead has been sliced to only 6.
Mary Martin to BFP. Fire, straight and true.
AJ will make that. Can even extend his range all the way to the 3-point line.
Without jumping too much.
Oo. Dead shot yan. Good soft hands for this gentle giant.
Galing magpasa. Egea. Under goal. Huli pa rin ni EJ. EJ looks ahead. He's like a quarterback. Constantly looking for his running end.
Block number 5 for EJ File.
Malones. Not on that journey. 1:25 to go. Fake. Shake. No bake. Under goal. EJ just looked like he was blocking a volleyball there.
Para nangunguha lang ng sampay eh.
Tapos lalakad pabalik para kumain na ng banana cue. Franco. Nowhere to go. Del Rosario spinning on the floor. Nowhere to go also. Foul yung Del Rosario. Nanipa eh. Si Dator ay babalik.
This is a 20-point quarter for the Graf Busters versus the 12-point production of Adolfo and the rest of the Firefighters. Adolfo will have a chance once again to close out this quarter strongly. Dito silang bumulusok dun sa second quarter set para makatabla.
33 all.
Pero wala si EJ File sa loob nun.
Split on the charity line by Marlon Adolfo. Malones and company with 40 seconds remaining. Shot clock at 13. Dator open. Not that time. EJ File running. Great sprint by the players.
From a 51-40 count, 3-minute mark. Once again, the White Shirts with a terrific closeout of a quarter, lead down to 5.
Adolfo with 19 points already after a very shaky start.
Mas mahirap yung direction niya ng puntos yan dahil yung huling hump na dadaanan niya hindi pahaba kundi pataas.
Tapos pag binuka yung kamay, pahaba rin.
Pamaypay na nakasampay.
Anong ginagawa pag yan ang bumantay siya? Nilolobo mo.
Sa labas ko tiniti. Pero kailangan ma-off-balance muna si AJ dahil pag hindi, tatalon ng naka-full stretch eh. Kailangan masayawan mo muna.
Lalo ng bata, nakakatalong pa yan eh.
Saka payat pa si AJ noon.
8 seconds remaining. Hayona stepping back.
Oh.
This play dies in the water. Unless Adolfo says we can do something about it, it kept alive. It kept alive their chances.
At the right place at the right time. Once again, Adolfo nailing a difficult shot right at the buzzer.
And that'll make the game a 5-point affair going into the fourth. This is the UNTV Cup. Okay, all set to start the final push. First possession of the quarter will belong, I assume, to the Ombudsman. I'm sensing this from the referee's body language. So far the Ombudsman, they managed to
Weather the storm.
and keep the protectors housed in their firehouses. Stay there. Wala naman nangyayari.
Kasi talagang fighting hard naman ng protectors talaga, Seb, eh. Nakita mo talagang nandun yung pagnanasa, nandun yung sipag.
Correct.
Ang
Okay.
tigas lang talaga ni Franco at ni AJ File. At saka, buhay yung diwa ng mga kasama nila. Maliliit man, puro determinado, saka masisipag
Yeah.
maglaro.
And the real possession will now belong to the BFP. Adolfo with a buzzer beater there as we now start the fourth quarter. Hayona. Igea. Good cut by Amores. Hayona launches offline. Amores will try to chase it down. Shot clock reset to 14. Baseline Siban. Yes!
You have to like Sibal. Can do a lot of things for your team. Mahusay, matapang at maganda ang conditioning level itong si Sibal.
And he's a willing passer, Ronnie.
Oo.
Maganda sa kanya. He's not looking immediately for his shots, but he likes to pass off.
Durado ko naglaro sa college to eh.
Paano man? Del Rosario downstairs. No basket. No basket later.
Pero mahusay talaga mag-operate sa loob si Buentipo, no?
Magaling maghanap ng skill.
Galing,
Malagay ko ano
magaling.
to eh. Either grab taxi ito o Uber ito.
Hindi, Waze yan.
Wait.
May satellite.
Turn left here.
Turn right. Turn right.
Baka si Rina nagboses ng Waze.
Patay.
Set up job. Tator launches. Bang!
Wow. Nice find by De Rosario and an even better conversion para kay Dator. At pangilan na niya yan? Pangatlong 3-point basket na ba niya yan? Pangalawa na yan.
Pangalawang hindi yata tres ang
Oo,
tawag eh.
isang long to yung kanina.
Pero they know, no, ng mga kakampi niya, no, he can fire from the outside. Franco trying to push aside Igea. He was hoping for a foul. Didn't get it. Basket! Basket, yes.
Ang hirap ng mga tira ni Marlon Adolfo talaga. Dator trying to give up a preempted foul. Pero fin-loater ni Dator eh.
Alam mo si Adolfo kasi kahit naman nung nasa college sa FEU yan, very athletic, graceful gumalaw.
If they want to overhaul this one possession deficit, they have to shoot better from the line. And right now, they are only 4 of 16 from the line. At kung di ako nagkakamali, that's 25% to be exact.
Yep. Dator launches 3. No. Tipo may have been fouled by Hayona.
Number 24, Julius Ayona, and his fourth one of the firefighters. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
A 14-second shot clock left for EJ File and company. There's a foul downstairs.
Back-to-back fouls in less than 5 seconds para dito sa protectors.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Dator. I think they're going to the well a little too much, too often. Egea.
Rare fast break attack para dito sa white shirts. Don't look now.
I
It's
won't.
only a 1-point lead para dito sa red shirts.
Don't look na. I won't.
Nagulat ato.
Ayaw ko tayo. 1-point game na. Oh! Amores gives the lead to the resurgent Bureau of Fire Protection. Ombudsman, they gotta regroup. malabundok ang inakyat ng kupunan ng
Ay,
BFP para sila'y makabalik sa kalamangan dito sa ball game na to.
parang Mount Everest, ano?
Yeah.
Mount AJ.
Kahit Mount Canlaon.
Ay,
Malones, good line.
sa Bacolod, no?
Yan.
Nakapunta ako dun sa Mambukal, eh.
Saan ang Bambukal?
Doon sa baba ng Mount Canlaon, yung Hot Springs.
Julius Ayala, 5 fouls.
Eh, si Hayona. Laging gulat na gulat pag tinatawagan ng foul.
Nako. Sabi natin, manipis ang rotation dito ng dalawang koponan. And Hayona has played nearly the entire game. Hayona, 10 puntos sa kabuuan. At a lot of toughness on defense.
Yeah. Gutierrez is in for the foul down to Hayona. Del Rosario attacks. Offensive foul.
Rosario tried to barrel his way inside. But well set up yung depensa. Hindi na na-close out sa kanya. Inabangan na lang siya. Ayun. Visible ba yun?
Yeah. Kasi ganun kulay ng buhok. Sabi sa'yo, bagay yun.
Bagay kaya sa atin yan.
Sa'yo.
Ba't galit ka?
Sa'yo. Walang pag-asa sa akin yan. Malones. Kaya ako galit. Ayun, si kumukuti-kutitam sa ilalim mo. Si Buen Tipo. Di nakarating ang bola sa kanya. Egea, nanay ko! Akala ko mag-hesitate dahil nandun si File.
Mukhang ito na ang pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Protectors kontra sa Graftbusters. Right now, Bernson Franco has been being defended really well by Amores.
Ayun. Tinawagan. Sumasali audience.
Tingnan natin kung makikita natin yung huling pangyayari na yan. But
Ayan, direct. Pakita mo nga, direct.
All players please proceed to be shaken in front of your respective benches.
Sige, sisilip tayo. Tinawag ni Commissioner Atoy ko yung mga referee, no? Eto, Ronnie, subukan natin.
alam ko pumoposte si...
Franco, no?
Oo.
Ayun, no?
Ayan.
Bang!
Ay!
Bang! Bang!
Oh, my.
Bang! 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 Bang!
That's above the shoulder.
Above the shoulder. Alam mo ito, mali ko dyan dati. Above the head.
Oo. Nangyayari talaga yan.
Hindi, yung above the head.
Sobra yun.
Yung layo, no? Walang tinamaan nun. Direk, baka pwede makita ng isa pa. Para lang manamnam. Para makita natin na kung saan nagkabangga.
This is already a 10-2 run by the Fire Protectors. Focus your attention doon sa bandang shaded area.
Number 14, Bernson Franco, is second. 3, the Graftbusters.
Nilalabanan ni Amores sa pwestuhan si Franco. Yan,
Yan.
papangkain niya yan.
Girian no? Girian Kasi naging tight yung laban no? May frustration ngayon yung ombudsman
Oo,
Kasi
naman.
hindi naabutan na sila, hindi nga sila makapiglas ngayon.
Pero kung natawag na yan sportsman-like foul, then the free throws have to be awarded right away. Wala namang time out.
Ball possession for
Magsabihan mo.
the Ombudsman Graftbusters.
Tayo ka.
The officials have to be on top of the situation kasi
Oo nga.
konti lang ang timeouts eh.
Ayan, reverse
Shot
angle.
clock at 14 seconds.
Yun, kitang-kita direct sa reverse.
But it has really been Amores who's been able to contain itong si Bernson
Oo,
Franco.
oo. Kasi siya yung may katawan na kaya eh.
oo. Mabigat kasi siya eh.
Ay, bit-bit. Bitang bola.
Kasi tumingin sa likod si Marlon Adolfo.
Chinek niya kung may sumusunod, ano. Maganda yung pagkakadepensa na ni Morris kasi pagod na rin si Franco, no? At tipo, hindi maka-under. Franco, nasukit.
First 2 points in quite a while for Franco. He must have been Tipo rating that scoring situation.
And we are in a 1-point affair. Yeah, Gutierrez. Shot clock at 6. Bang!
Not much pace. But no problem para dito sa Protectors. Lead back to 3. They're a more confident unit. The patience is there. Let's see if they will have one more defensive stop laban sa Red Shirts. Mainit dun sa ilalim, Seb.
Sobra, girian ang girian.
Very modest 5 fouls.
Sino ang 5 fouls? Si Amores. He's done his job.
More than.
Penalty situation.
Eto na si Sibal.
Which one's he coming in for Kurt Lawrence?
Amores will lead the game for good. Amores, total of 3 points.
Free throws for Bernson Franco.
1 of 7 from the field. A solitary rebound, but making it difficult for Franco in the last 5 minutes to be able to get these points. Franco, para naman dito sa Graph Busters, 33 points.
Ayaw mangyari ni Berson na isa na naman 30 plus performance tapos hindi naman sila mananalo. Kainis yun, di ba? Naman ka, mananalo ka nga ng 35, makakuha ka ng 35, 37. Talo ka naman.
Only the 6th point in the quarter para dito sa Red Shirts.
Sibal with nothing. File over to Malones. Ayaw.
Ito na yung winning time na tinatawag sa...
Itong malaking bagay si Iggy.
Oh, kalmado lang siya eh.
Oo nga, pakindat-kindat mo eh. Nice move by Gutierrez.
Useless foul para kay Sumalit si Malones ay nagpapapalit. At para sa mga coaches, ito yung panahon na ayaw mo na sana maglabas ng players.
Ganun ba yun?
Oo, merong stage na dikdikan na eh.
Tsaka meron yung mga player na pang winning time na eh. No?
Oo. Kaya lang, pag napagod at nagpapalit, wala kang choice. Minsan, nahuhaw
Ano
talaga.
response mo doon? Palitan mo na, ano? O depende.
Mare, sinasabi ko na pag kailangan, diyan ka muna. Hindi ka naman maka-timeout dahil konti nga lang yung timeout sa amateur basketball. Tapos yan, pag may mga free throws, yan na yung pahinga nila. Kasi hindi mo na siya may babalik sa
Correct. Or, dilabas mo. Baka walang chance ibalik agad eh.
Yun na nga sinasabi ko. By the time maibalik mo, iba na yung kapalaran. 4 of 18. Ang Protectors from the line. That's from 25% to 22%. Imagine kung napasok nila kahit kalahati lamang mo.
Down to the last 4 minutes. Dator can't hit anything anymore. Nice streak to the basket. No, they won't give it.
Isipin mo yung back tip na yon is not a high percentage defense. Instead, that forced Adolfo to lose his footing.
Oo.
Napaganda pa with no one there to cover the basket para dito sa Ombudsman.
Protectors with a 1-point lead. Dator thought about it. Del Rosario lost it. Here comes Gutierrez. 4 on none. Ala, sabi ni Coach Garcia, stay down si Sivan kasi baka ibato na naman.
Pero yung baseball pass na yan, hindi lahat nakakagawa sa
Hindi. Ayun. Girian ng girian.
Only foul on number 5, Raycon penalty. Third foul on Raycon.
Sinamia ang foul, third foul.
One thing going para sa Ombudsman is that they have shot better from the line. Although si Franco is only 61%, but he is already 9 of 14 from the free throw line. Lead down to 2 once more.
Anong sabi mo? Gusto ng players?
Ano, parang nabuhayan muli si Bergson Franco.
Yeah. Namia. Franco sinalo yung rebound.
Si EJ lang nagbababa ng bola, Seb.
Oo naman. Bagong style niya.
Kasi nagpahinga si Malones eh.
Juan, titira. Dator.
EJ could have taken that shot. Alam niya.
Kahit tres yun, may chance yun kasi may tinira siya kanina. Malayo.
Saka nakatira ka.
Malayo yung tira ni Gutierrez.
When it's winning time, you want that basketball in the hands of your best player. Right now for the White Shirts, there's no question that Mario Adolfo has been a workhorse for them. Kailangan dumampi man lang sa mga kamay ni Adolfo yung bola and for him to make the necessary basketball plays to put his teammates in a very good scoring situation.
Like Del Rosario, what he did last in that drive.
Del Rosario may not be shooting the ball really well, pero buo ang loob. Del Rosario with 4 points, 2 of 13 from the field, but he has given the Graph Busters once again the driver's seat.
Walang makasabay sa kanya. Papaglayin niya. Up.
Kung gaano kadesidido si Franco at EJ Fal mabigyan ng unang panalo ang Red Shirts, ganun din naman kadeterminado si Marlon Adolfo. Mag 2-1 ang Firefighters.
Again, last 2 minutes, nagpapalakpakan ng tao. Hindi ko alam bakit. Nakain na.
Hey!
Gutierrez attacks. Fires. Got it!
And the Unsung Heroes coming up big. Dito sa dulo ng larong ito.
And now when it's this kind of time in the game, it's time to make the big defensive plays. More than the offense, it's the defense.
Bergson Franco attracting 4 defensive players, forcing one of them to give up a foul. And that will be another set of 2 free throws for Franco.
Ooh. Hirap sa pwesto to, no? Pinagchichismisan tayo.
Franco in this contest a total of 36
Ilan?
points.
Ilan?
36.
Tama ba yung basa mo?
Sana. 37 na dun sa uli niyang
Diba?
conversion.
Gutierrez! Back to back!
Odd numbered lead para dito sa kupunan ng Protectors. 3-point advantage para sa kanila.
You don't need a 3. You don't need the 3 yet. You need to have a shot You don't need to foul Franco also eh. No?
Hindi nga kailangan mag-triple team eh.
Hindi nga.
Pushing foul, number 5, Dana Mendez is for. Norman Mentipo coming in for Haida Alcazar. Cedric Blas for
When Tipo is back in the game, so is Malones. Baka feeling ko kay Malones, nagka-cramp na kanina.
Pati si Sibal, nakita ko na siya kanina na minamasahin ng bahagya yung kanyang calf muscle. And this is no doubt fatigue. Para dito kay Franco.
Ayun. Dalawang minutes. 64 seconds remaining. No need to rush it. Time management. Game management. Bang!
Egea once again maintaining composure. Burning time and Adolfo locating an open teammate. Biggest lead off this match. Para sa Protectors, a 5-point advantage.
Si Gutierrez, ang laking bagay yung dalawang back-to-back hits niya.
Bigat, ang bigat.
Bigat.
Okay, gagawa ng play yan, ha? Gagawa ng play yan.
I-play natin, bigay nyo kay EJ sa taas, pero EJ hanapin mo yung mga shooters natin. Kung hindi kaya, mag-ano tayo, mag-piss tayo, Edsel, mag-piss kayo. Si Sandrick na yung gitna, mag-gano na lang kayo. Okay? Tapos, pagkatapos, ready, babalik si Norman. Man, babalik ka, ha? Quick 3 tayo, quick 3.
Itong firefighters, ha? Magaling sa patayan ng sunog, ano?
Pare, wala na.
Lalong-lalo na sa second half.
Makinig tayo.
Timothy!
Wala na. Fight na eh. Lalo na sa second half, no? We have...
Dadaan sa tiyaga.
Oo, no? 48 seconds ang nalalabi. Anong biggest lead ng Ombudsman? 11.
Higit 10 yan, oh. It's a very quick trigger para kay Del Rosario. Oh, gano'ng kautak si Egea, oh.
Kung sa volleyball yan, coverage yan.
Yan.
Coverage yan.
And communicating with Adolfo, nahawakan na ni Adolfo yung bola.
Shot back at 3. Gutierrez! Yo!
Short corner was missing in the first half. Short corner well was way open here in the second half.
Happy birthday to you!
Not bad. Butas, kaliwat ka ng short corners.
Bibig. Bugbog sa kakampi to.
Tayo. Reper, tapos foul agad tayo. Papasok yung mga defenders natin. Reper, pa-foul tayo, ha? Sandrick, at isa pa.
Tapatan nyo lang. Pag binigyan dito ng bola si EJ, tapatan nyo lang. Okay, titira yan sigurado. Okay. Box out, box out, box out. Oh, defense.
What a difference. 3 quarters of mid. Yung mood nila kanina, no? Wala. Wala kang maririnig na ingay dyan.
And I still believe that Amores had a lot to do about this.
I was about to say, yung pagkahiga niya kay Franco.
Tigil yung dominance ni Franco sa
So,
loob, eh.
in-offer niya yung fouls niya, di ba? Ayaw. Walang shot si Del Rosario mula sa labas eh.
Making foul number 6, Allen Ford, penalty.
Boy, it's a long walk to the locker room for the Ombudsman. who will-
Kumbaga, parang ikaw ang nagsaing pero ibang naghain. They were in the lead for nearly 3/4 of the way, talking about the red shirts.
Yeah.
But eventually, they were overtaken with the defensive effort of Amores and through the exploits of Sibal, of course, Adolfo, at itong si Gutierrez na binanggit mo nga, Sir, na talagang sama pamato
Oh.
yung kanya mga tikada from the short corner.
Di ba yung mga clutch hits niya, no?
Mabigat. Kasi nakuha na ulit ng Ombudsman yung kalamangan
6
eh.
points eh. Tapos with confidence, binitawan. and it's going to be a very satisfying win. Oh, the Fire Protectors, while the Ombudsman will still search for their first victory.
It's all about defense para dito sa Protectors sa fourth quarter, limiting the Graftbusters to only 11 points while scoring a total of 20 to once again finish the quarter strongly and steal this game away from the hands of the Graftbusters.
Sino ang best player natin?
Nang iba kundi si Marlon Adolfo dahil kung hindi rin sa kanya, sa talagang kinayod niya, hindi na rin talaga nakabalik ang Protectors.
Maraming heroes actually itong team ng BFP.
Ganda,
Tobela.
well coached itong kupunan ng Protectors.
Paano naging si Ryan si Reyna? Paliwanag mo nga. Maganda naman to. Layo naman. Here, Reyna.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa iyo, 7 Coach Ronnie. At ang ating best player for this game ay walang iba, kundi si Marlon Adolfo. First of all, congratulations sa BFP Firefighters. Marlon, kwentuhan mo naman kami, nakapag-ensayo ba kayo after your last game dito? At pinaghandaan niyo ba ng todo-todo itong Ombudsman?
Sobrang pinaganda namin tong next game namin kasi crucial yung bawat game namin. So, nung practice, nag-focus kami sa offense namin, sa defense namin. More on focus namin sa defense, konting adjustment pa. So, marami pa kaming kailangan trabahuin sa practice.
Alam mo, Marlon, during the first half of the game, medyo hindi nga pumapasok yung mga shooting ng koponan nyo. Hindi ka ba na-frustrate at hindi ka ba naubusan ng patience during that first half?
Actually, hindi naman kasi 40 minutes naman yung basketball. Hindi naman siguro sa first and second quarter lang natatapos eh. Yun, so, tira lang tira. Kung papasok, di okay.
Basta ang importante, enjoy pa rin sa laro. Ayan, may mga gusto ko bang batiin at pasalamatan sa larong ito?
Oo nga, yun first of all, maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa BFP, kay General Ferrer, kay Captain Marquez, thank you sa gift check, tapos kay Major Magagalak, sa teammates ko, kaya sa Adolfo family, sa Perez family, sa Caloocan, Lopez family, tsaka sa mga members ng Fitness Hub, tsaka sa mga friends ko sa munisipyo sa San Mateo, Rizal.
Yan, maraming salamat sa iyo and congratulations, Marlon Adolfo ng ating BFP Firefighters. And of course, again, congratulations. Oh my gosh.
To you.
Kaya pala may ganon.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Si Rina ay 16 years old today.
Maraming 16 by height. Thank you. Ayan, magbabalik tayo, di ba?
Wish mo muna, wish.
And at this point, magbe-break po muna ang UNTV Cup, pero abangan niyo po sa ating pagbabalik ang inaabangan niyong PNP Responders kontra sa DOJ Justice Boosters. UNTV Cup will be right back.